Yellow nutsedge, also known as yellow nutgrass, northern nutgrass, or coco sedge, is a perennial weed that quickly spreads once established. Not only will this weed thrive in wet areas, but it also grows well in dry areas. In this video, we'll show you how to identify yellow nutsedge, how to get rid of yellow nutsedge on your property, and how to prevent yellow nutsedge from growing back. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about lawn care, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Yellow nutsedge can grow to be 8 to 32 inches tall. The leaf blades are waxy, yellow to green in color, hairless, and have a prominent midvein. The leaves taper to a pointed top. The stems grow upright and have a triangular cross-section. When flowering, yellow nutsedge develops yellow-green or tan flowers in clusters of spikelets. These spikelet clusters are almost umbel-like in shape. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check around your property to confirm the weed's presence or find activity hotspots. Yellow nutsedge can grow in a variety of soil types and in different moisture conditions, from wet to dry in the United States. This weed prefers areas with full sunlight, but can tolerate partial shade as well. Once established, yellow nutsedge will produce underground tumors and rhizomes that allow the plant to grow back in spring after dying in winter. When inspecting for yellow nutsedge on your property, the weed is most easily identifiable once the flowers have bloomed. Until then, you can look for clumps of discolored grass growing on your property. After identifying your weed and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. To eliminate yellow nutsedge on commercial or residential properties, use a selective post-emergent herbicide that's labeled not to injure your property's turf grass. We recommend you check out Martin's Nutgrass Eliminator. This product is made with halosulfuron and controls sedges and other weeds in warm season and cool season turf. To enhance this product's efficacy, mix in a surfactant like Nanotek. Nanotek is a non-herbicide product designed to improve the adhesion and penetration of pesticides onto treated surfaces. Just add 1 fluid ounce per 1 gallon of solution. To treat yellow nutsedge, mix the labeled rate of 0.5 grams of Martin's Nutgrass Eliminator or 1 packet into 1 gallon of water per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. We recommend you mix and apply your product with a handheld sprayer or a backpack sprayer. Spot treat any yellow nutsedge you found. Use a fan or cone spray pattern to ensure the weeds are fully coated, and spray the weeds to the point of wet but not runoff. Be sure to spray on calm days when temperatures are not too hot and when wind speeds are low to minimize drift. When applied properly, affected weeds will yellow and begin to die. Conduct follow-up applications as necessary. Reapplication intervals with Martin's Nutgrass Eliminator range from 6 to 10 weeks after the initial treatment. Applications are most effective when the plant is young and actively growing, before flower or seed production. Prevention is essential to keeping weeds in check. Even after applying herbicides, the best way to stop weed activity is to ensure it can't happen. To stop new yellow nutsedges from growing from seed, check out Expel Turf Herbicide. Expel Turf Herbicide is a suspended concentrate made with sulfentrazone. This product has both post-emergent and pre-emergent applications, but we'll focus on its pre-emergent uses for now. Pre-emergent herbicides create chemical barriers that stop weeds from sprouting or emerging. To prevent yellow nutsedge from growing in cool season turf, mix 4 to 8 fluid ounces of concentrate in at least 10 gallons of water to apply over 1 acre. You may also apply this product over warm season turf at the mix rate of 8 to 12 fluid ounces of concentrate in at least 10 gallons of water to apply over 1 acre. Due to this product's high volume applications, high capacity equipment like a spray rig may be necessary. Once your product is thoroughly mixed, broadcast your solution evenly over the area. Repeat this application when 35 days have passed after the first treatment. This application should be done when the targeted weeds have not yet sprouted. If seedlings have already emerged, then you'll need to use a post-emergent herbicide as discussed earlier. In addition to pre-emergent products, we also recommend you promote the health of your turf to reduce the conducive conditions that allow weeds and disease to take hold. Mow your grass at proper intervals to maintain a thick growing density. Reduce the shade cast on your lawn by trimming overgrown shrubbery and tree branches. Rake away leaf litter and pick up any debris. and employ a proper watering schedule to provide the local grass with enough water to strengthen its roots, but not so much that will encourage weeds. Many grasses require 1 inch of water every week. Apply the water all at once in the morning so it has time to seep into the ground without evaporating in the sun. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can remove yellow nutsedge from your property, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.